Are you mining Hamster Combat tokens but not seeing the profits you expected? It might be because of a few critical mistakes that are holding you back. In this video, I'll reveal the top 5 errors most miners make and show you exactly how to fix them to maximize your earnings. Whether you're a seasoned miner or just starting out, these tips will ensure you get the most out of your mining efforts and qualify for those lucrative airdrops. Stay tuned and let's boost your mining game together. The Hamster Combat team has highlighted these mistakes on their Telegram and Twitter, so some of you might already be aware. For those who aren't, let's get right into it. And remember, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell icon for all the latest updates and tips. Mistake 1. Not claiming every 3 hours. First up, many miners mistakenly believe that their mining balance will automatically update every hour, regardless of their activity. However, this isn't the case. To ensure continuous mining, you must return every 3 hours and click the Claim button. This manual process is essential for keeping your mining operation active and your token balance growing. Imagine this. You've put in the effort to set up your mining operation, and you assume it's working around the clock. You check back after a day, expecting a hefty balance, only to find out that the mining stopped hours ago because you didn't click the Claim button. It's a simple action, but skipping it can significantly impact your earnings. The Hamster Combat platform clearly states, when you click the Info button, that after 3 hours of mining, you must manually restart the process by clicking Claim. This means your mining efforts halt after the 3-hour mark until you restart them. So, to avoid losing out on potential profits, it's crucial to be diligent about this step. Here are a few tips to help you stay on track. Set alarms or reminders. Use your phone or any other device to set an alarm or reminder every 3 hours. This will ensure you don't forget to log back in and claim your tokens. Use calendar notifications. If you have a busy schedule, consider setting recurring calendar notifications. This way, you'll get a prompt reminder to take action without disrupting your daily activities. Join a community. Engaging with other miners in forums or social media groups can help. Often, community members share reminders and tips to keep everyone on track. Optimize your routine. Find a routine that works best for you. Maybe you can align the 3-hour check-ins with regular breaks during your day. Integrating this habit into your routine can make it less of a chore and more of a regular activity. By incorporating these practices, you ensure that your mining process remains active, maximizing your token accumulation. Remember, every missed claim is a missed opportunity to grow your balance. So, stay vigilant, set those reminders, and keep claiming your tokens every 3 hours to optimize your mining efficiency and boost your profits. Mistake 2. Skipping daily tasks. The second common mistake many miners make is neglecting the daily tasks. While automated bots might handle some of the repetitive mining processes, it's the daily tasks that distinguish human miners from these bots. Engaging in these tasks is not only crucial for your mining success but also for your eligibility in special events, like airdrops. So, what are these daily tasks, and why are they so important? 1. Claiming daily rewards. Every day, Hamster Combat offers daily rewards that you can claim simply by logging in and clicking the Claim button. These rewards add up over time and can significantly boost your token balance. It's a quick and easy way to increase your earnings, and it's something that bots typically overlook. 2. Entering cipher codes. Cipher codes are another daily task that requires your attention. These codes are often shared within the community, including on our Telegram channel. By entering these codes, you can earn additional tokens. It's a straightforward task that takes only a few moments but offers great benefits. The process of entering cipher codes also ensures the platform that you are an active, engaged user. 3. Completing combo tasks. Combo tasks involve a series of actions that need to be completed within a day. These tasks can vary but usually include activities like logging in multiple times a day, performing specific mining actions, or engaging with community content. Completing combo tasks not only increases your token earnings but also enhances your engagement with the platform, making you eligible for various bonuses and rewards. Why completing daily tasks matters. Proving human activity. One of the primary reasons daily tasks are essential is that they prove you are an active participant and not a bot. The Hamster Combat platform is designed to reward genuine users who are actively engaged. Bots typically fail to perform these nuanced tasks, so by completing them, you're confirming your human status. This is crucial for events like airdrops, where only active and engaged users are eligible. Boosting token count. Every little task you complete adds up. Claiming daily rewards, entering cipher codes, and completing combo tasks all contribute to increasing your token count. Over time, these small efforts can lead to substantial gains, significantly boosting your overall mining success. Staying updated and involved. Engaging in daily tasks keeps you connected to the platform and its community. By regularly checking in and performing these tasks, you stay updated on any changes, new opportunities, or important announcements. This involvement is beneficial for your overall mining strategy, ensuring you never miss out on valuable information or opportunities. How to stay on top of your daily tasks. Join our Telegram channel. We regularly post updates, cipher codes, and combo task instructions on our Telegram channel. By joining, you'll have easy access to all the information you need to complete your daily tasks efficiently. Set daily reminders. Just like with the 3-hour claims, setting daily reminders for these tasks can be incredibly helpful. Allocate specific times each day to log in and complete your tasks to ensure you never miss a reward. Engage with the community. Participate in forums and social media groups related to Hamster Combat mining. Community members often share tips, updates, and reminders about daily tasks, helping each other stay on track. By committing to these daily tasks, you're not only maximizing your token earnings but also ensuring your active participation is recognized and rewarded. So, don't skip these simple yet powerful steps. Engage daily, prove your human activity, and watch your Hamster Combat mining success soar. Mistake 3. Misunderstanding profit per hour. Next up, let's address a common misconception that could be hindering your progress: converting your entire balance into profit per hour. While focusing on increasing your profit per hour is important, it's equally vital to maintain a healthy balance. Your eligibility for airdrops and other rewards depends on both of these factors working in harmony. Why profit per hour matters. Profit per hour is a key metric that indicates how many tokens you are generating on an hourly basis. The higher this rate, the more tokens you accumulate over time. Many miners prioritize this metric because it directly impacts the token generation capacity. However, putting all your focus on profit per hour can lead to neglecting another crucial aspect: your overall balance. The importance of maintaining a good balance. Your overall balance is the total number of tokens you have accumulated. This balance is a significant factor when it comes to qualifying for airdrops and other rewards. Higher levels in the mining system are often associated with larger shares of airdrops. For example, if you're at a basic level, like silver, you might receive a smaller share compared to those at higher levels like gold or platinum. Balancing both aspects. To maximize your rewards, you need to find a balance between increasing your profit per hour and maintaining a healthy overall balance. Here's how you can achieve this. Strategic allocation. Allocate your resources in a way that boosts your profit per hour without depleting your overall balance. For instance, invest in upgrades that enhance your mining efficiency while keeping a portion of your tokens in reserve. Monitor your progress. Regularly check your metrics to ensure you're not over-investing in profit per hour at the expense of your balance. Use tools and analytics provided by the platform to track your performance and make informed decisions. Upgrade wisely. Invest in upgrades that provide long-term benefits. Some upgrades might offer immediate boosts to profit per hour but could be detrimental in the long run if they require significant token expenditure. Look for upgrades that enhance both your balance and profit per hour. Participate in community discussions. Join forums and social media groups where miners discuss strategies and share insights. Engaging with the community can provide valuable tips on how to optimize both aspects effectively. Understanding the impact of levels. Levels play a crucial role in determining your share of airdrops and rewards. The higher your level, the larger your share. Here's a simplified example. Silver level. If the total airdrop is 10,000 tokens, those at the silver level might receive a smaller portion, say 1,000 tokens. Gold level. In contrast, those at the gold level could receive a larger portion, such as 3,000 tokens. Platinum level. At the highest levels, like platinum, miners might receive the largest share, such as 5,000 tokens. This distribution model underscores the importance of advancing through levels while maintaining a balance between profit per hour and overall token count. Avoiding misunderstandings. Many miners have misunderstood this concept, leading to an imbalance in their strategy. It's essential to recognize that both profit per hour and overall balance contribute to your mining success. Prioritize both metrics to ensure you are not missing out on potential rewards. Mistake 4. Ignoring new cards. The fourth mistake is not keeping up with new cards in the market. Having the latest cards can significantly boost your mining efficiency. Whenever new cards are released, make sure to unlock them as soon as possible. These cards often come with low initial costs and high returns once upgraded. Mistake 5. Not connecting your ton wallet. Last but not least, not connecting your ton wallet can be a costly mistake. The Hamster Combat team has made it clear that withdrawals will be processed through the ton wallet. It's a simple, free process with no gas fees. Just connect your wallet by clicking the wallet button and following the instructions. Ensuring your wallet is connected is crucial for receiving your tokens without any issues. By avoiding these mistakes, you'll be well on your way to maximizing your Hamster Combat mining profits and ensuring you're eligible for the airdrop. If you found this video helpful, share it with your friends and family who are also mining Hamster Combat. Let's help each other out and make the most of this opportunity. Don't forget to like, subscribe for all the latest updates. Thanks for watching, and happy mining!